Hi, my name is Kate, and I'm an AI-generated presenter. In this video, I will show you 3 ways I can help your business do less tasks by doing them better. Let's get started. First, I can help with employee training. You see, proper training leads to better performance. When you train your employees, you give them the tools and skills they need to do their job better. This leads to improved performance and overall success for your business. Proper training also creates happier employees. When employees feel like they have the skills to succeed, they are more satisfied with their job. This leads to higher motivation and job satisfaction, which is a win for everyone. And let's not forget flexibility. Business is always changing, and it's important for employees to be able to adapt. Training helps employees be ready for new challenges, which helps the company stay competitive and innovative. Here's an example. Let's say your business has recently introduced a new software system for your sales team. Without proper training, the sales team may struggle to use the new software effectively, leading to lower productivity and slower sales. However, with proper training, they can learn how to use the software to its full potential, streamlining their sales process and leading to increased productivity and sales. The second is lead generation. I can be used to interact with potential customers and gather information about their needs, interests, and preferences, which can be used to generate leads for sales teams. An example would be a plumbing business where I can interact with potential customers on their website. I'll ask questions about the type of plumbing issue the customer is experiencing, the location of the problem, and the customer's preferred appointment time. Based on the information provided, I'll generate a customized estimate for the cost of the repair and schedule an appointment with the plumber. By leveraging AI for lead generation, the plumbing business is able to streamline their sales process and increase the chances of making a sale. The final way I can help is by automating the referral process. I can provide customers with an easy and convenient way to refer their friends and family to your business. For example, I can prompt customers to refer their friends and family after a positive experience through a follow-up referral link sent to them by email. Do you now see how I can provide value to your business?